Hello guys, I have this new package. We'll see what this is. This was brought from, I think, Lazada. Let's open what's inside. Unbox a package. It's always exciting to receive something. Ta-da! Ooh, it's a coconut pairing set. Mega coconut pairing set. So what is this for? For the coconut. Ta-da! Here's the manual. Let me see if it's in English. Yes, it's in English. Oh, very heavy. Oh, interesting. So this is it. So we will kagud the coconut using this one. Oh, di na magana. So modern, so high tech. Nice one. We'll try this tomorrow. We will make puto. We will grate the coconut using this machine. Good, excited. Good purchase. You missed. Okay, there's a switch on and off.